Hi, I am Bella. Here we will learn about how to edit transcripts in Dubverse Studio. Click on the Studio button. Now click on the section you want to edit. Now click on the Edit option. Now you can edit or remove the words. Now click on the Translate button to see the changes. You can also copy the sentence by clicking on the Copy option. You can add new segment below by clicking on the plus button. Now you can type the sentence by clicking on Edit option. Click on Delete option to delete the whole sentence. You can also change the voice tone of the word in retune mode.